Hello, and welcome back to Motvy Repairs. I will be rescreening a door today. As you can see here, these are the tools that I will be using. This is a length of spline, a box cutter, and of course a spline tool. So the process itself is fairly easy. You see here I am laying the screen across the door frame. I am unraveling the spline and resting it into the track, then taking the spline tool and with light to moderate pressure I'm using the spline tool to push the spline into the track so that it is well seated. I do each side individually. There are some frames that you can run the spline around without cutting it, but in this instance I decided to cut it for each side and ensure it's in. The last time I did this, I remember the track and the spline being a little tighter. But this is an old door. It is well worn. So the spline doesn't really fit tight into the track. But this is a back door. It's the first time I've done this in a good number of years, and I'm just going to roll with it. Once the spline is seated properly, you'll take your box cutter and with moderate pressure run it on the outside of the track, ensuring that you cut the screen all the way through. You do not want to leave any edges because you might pull up the screen. And here is the finished product installed in the door. And that will about do it. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.